现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello, 好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And with Alice, we're going to teach you a lot of practical phrases right here. This month, it's all about the phrase called to help, or if you're seeking for help, 要帮忙啊，我们要帮忙，你怎么说帮忙？
天数
天数 okay, that's to help. So there are a lot of situations we can talk about here. 其实有好多状况都是需要帮忙，可能在公司里面需要帮忙，朋友来帮忙，
问路。
或问路这么简单的东西，对不对？去一个新的城市，到底火车站在哪里啦？还有一些观光景点在哪里啊，
找不到方向了。
对 ，Well, we're going to put you in a situation where someone's going to be asking for help on the road, probably about like maybe where the train station is. Okay, 好，你需要帮忙吗 ？Do you need help?
我是老五，
我是老五。
天数么？
天数么？
我是老五，天数么？
天数我们刚刚教了嘛，就是帮忙。我是老五，就是
需要帮你吗
？Do you need my help? OK， 这是 Alice 在街头上很 friendly 的，要协助人家嘛，对不对？那个人可能就说：“对了，我迷路了，请问火车站在哪里 ？”Yeah, I am lost, and could you tell me where the train station is?
爱冲走诶，
爱冲走诶，
呛门，火车头 D9V
D9V OK I'm a little lost I like that too 怎么说迷路啊
爱冲走诶
OK 冲走就是
迷路了
That means I'm lost alright 其实在前面右转就到了Actually the train station is up front on the right OK 怎么说呢
头前But you 薯片
把油薯片
秋刀嘞
OK 秋刀嘞就到了 right 就前面跳前然后右转
把油薯片
你
就是要转右边了
转个右边
我现在这边是左边这样才是右边
对有些人会分两你的右边是我的左边
没错
Alright so it's just up front on the right Okay and turn right and you're there Alright let's review some of these useful phrases such as 迷路 lost
冲走诶
and then the train station 火车站
火车头
and then let's say up front 前面头前很多时候在问路都已经快到了啦Alright and this month is all about the phrase to help or 帮忙
天数
and there you have it That's all the time we have for Practical Hakka
什么大家
子 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council